All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Kia Optima. It is the LX model. It's beautiful burgundy with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Super nice. Only 38,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. That's just some dirt there. I thought it was chips, but it's not. All right, your front bumper looks good. Yeah, I mean your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? No, I do not. Tire tread is at 930 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. And tire tread is at 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Does have two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. Oh, that's obviously working, folks. All right, you got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. What your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 38,521. Looks good. Let's open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a little chippy here. Some heavy scratching around. Deck lid looks good. Trunk space looks good. Here's your rear. This does have a spare tire with some tools, and then of course there's tucked away your owner's manuals. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. I'm sorry, your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Over 10-30 seconds. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. This door looks pretty good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. That looks good. And your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's front passenger rim. It is curved up. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire tread is at 930 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things look beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Kia Optima LX model with 38,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.